Good morning. Happy December 5th. Oh, good morning, Sage. Let's see what we got today. Oh, really good. It is pear. Yeah, nope, it tastes like pear. Sorry, Sage. Not the cat treat yet. These cats are too damn smart. They're all swarming like sharks, waiting for me to do their calendar. Let's do this one first. Why do I find these so difficult? Oh, this is like a whole Santa. Very nice. No, not for you. Not for you. This is turning out to be one of my favorites because all of these cakes, they're really good. As I say, I'm sorry, this is another duplicate. They're really good cakes, but so far, there's only been like 2 different flavors. But this one I had yesterday, and it was really, really good. All right, Sage, it's finally your turn. Not that. Come over here. We're going to open this right here. No, don't eat that. Yeah. No. Come back up here. We're opening number 5. Oh, it's the fishies again. I think you guys liked that the other day. Sage, you want your treats? You like it? Is it good? It's crunchy. Oh, you want one? You can have one. Don't need to growl at me. You can have another. No. No growling. Hey, Jack. There's yours. You guys have to learn how to share. Oh, Jack, you ate that very quickly. All right, there you go. There you go, Sage. Nope, Jack, you had your... are you even chewing? Chew it, Jack. Chew it. All right, Sage, you get the last one. Jack, you have to learn how to chew. I didn't even hear you chew. Ooh, can you hear that? They're growling. Be good. Be good, boys. Happy December 5th. All right, and we're going to end with the Nightmare Before Christmas pop-up book. Oh, and it's the mare underneath the mare. I do like the mare. There we go. Merry Christmas.